rich in omega-3 fatty acids and protein. Salmon is beloved for its health benefits. Here are some easy tips for you to cook salmon like a pro. Brining can help prevent albumin, the protein in salmon, from leaching out during cooking. All you need is water and salt to fully submerge the fish and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This step also helps to create a juicy A result and lowers the risk of a dried out salmon. Pat the salmon dry with a paper towel. A wet surface can cause it to stick to the pan and prevent the skin from crisping up properly. Make sure there is enough oil to coat the pan evenly. When the oil is hot and starts to shimmer, gently place the salmon in skin side down and away from you, just in case of splashing. How do you know when it's time to flip? The salmon will tell you. Grab a pair of tongs and gently try to move it. If it still sticks to the pan, give it a little more time. Flip it over to reveal beautifully crispy skin. Now cook the flesh side for a few minutes. It's perfectly fine if the center remains rosy pink. And there you have it. Juicy pieces of salmon with the right crunch. Enjoy!